Welcome back to the 5x8 camper build. Gonna go outside now, and we did a little welding. I did a little welding. I'll take the blame for it because I'm not that good of a welder. Don't want to blame it on a professional welder, but it'll work. It'll hold together. As you can see here, I need my sunglasses. I need a place to put them down. All right, put those right there. All right, you can see what I did is I bolted these down, and there was a gap between this metal and this metal, so I bolted them down to hold them together. And of course you clean it off and weld it, grind it, weld it, grind it and weld it. And I'm taking the bolts out now so that I can clean it off and touch up my paint. Oh, spider. Oh man. I hope he's not a bad spider. I'm not real big on spiders on my face. Maybe that was him. All right, so let's talk about something here real quick. These nuts have a little nylon thing in them so that when you bolt them on, they become safety nuts, so to speak. They won't rattle loose. So once you use these like this, where they're subjected to heat, right, you can see how it melted that. So you can elect to either throw these away or use them for something later on where you put a lock washer in with them. But I would never use them for a trailer again, you know, being subjected to heat, and plus that the nylon is jacked. So I'll save them for another project. Then I'll take my grinder and hit this with the flapper wheel and make it smooth out a little bit. And then hit it with some high gloss black paint and protect it from rusting, and we'll slide the camper on it and make sure all the lights work, and we should be just almost finished with it. So all right, thanks for watching. See you on the next video. Hit that like and subscribe button. Later.